Welcome to OneSearch. This is tip number 7. This is another handy time saver tip. Let's say you're really busy researching and you're going through lots of records because you're very interested in farm animals. And so we'll type in farm animals. You're searching through farm animals and you've got lots and lots and lots of results, as you can see. But you want to kind of keep track of the ones that might prove useful to you. So how do you do that without having to copy it all down? Well, OneSearch offers you this handy little thing. Let's say you're really interested in this article, U.S. lawmakers want more research protection for farm animals. You go over here and you see this little thumbtack. It says keep this item. When you hover over it, you click on it and it's up there. But let's see, what else are we interested in? Let's see. Oh, we'll do this one on cloning. That sounds good. You really want to keep this because you want to keep searching. You don't want to lose time. So you click on that little thumb tap. There it goes. Okay, so now you've got these two items. And when you're done searching, they're saved for you up here. You can click on that and you say, oh, look what I've saved. You can sort this information. You can see when you added it. You could email the record to yourself, and you can even figure out how to do a citation with it. So that's a really handy little feature just when you're busy searching and you want to just keep things in mind and have it handy. Just remember that little thumbtack and don't forget to sign in. Thanks a lot. Hope it helps. Bye.